Harley. 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 Oh, hello, little Harley. Hi, Poodle. Harley. He's so cute. How, Daddy, would you mind? Never mind. Here, I'll just come give it to you. Here. I want you to film it. And like, and all that stuff.
How do I do that?
It's already filming.
Oh, so great. It's filmed on my feet. How do I zoom? How do I zoom?
Tom Brady to Randy Moss. And then the screen to Kevin Falk. That's it for this one. Another touchdown. His last second touchdown. Touchdown. 5 TDs in the quarter and 6 TDs in all. Magic. More than Magic. Peyton Manning. Charlie Johnson. Remember Charlie Johnson. George Boyd for the Sandy Ball top 10 in the 40s. These are the only guys that have scored 6 or more touchdown passes in 2 different games. Cardinals starts 30,000 yards for Kurt Warner. Gets fired for Gerald Cardinals. Big Ben. 400 yards. 75 in his career. Miller to give up the ground. Matt Stokes to Shaw. 4th 300-yard game for the Texans this year as they beat Cincy. Aaron Rodgers to Donald Williams, the driver. The Jonathan Drake, leading Packer receiver, is driving. The Chiefs, they break through with the first.
All right, that's enough, isn't it?
Yeah. Hey.